Welcome to Woodworker Express.com. Today we're going to be talking about the KV pivot or pocket door system. We're just going to talk about a few of the features and mostly on how to order these because there's so many options and just want to make sure that you order the correct one that you are looking for. So this pocket door hardware comes in a lot of different varieties. Right here we have the 8080 and the 8080 includes the actual, slide, the bracket, the mounting plate for the hinge, and the hinge itself. So that is the 8080 series. Now the 8081 actually is the same thing, it just does not come with the hinge plate or the hinge. So you pretty much just get the two slides and the bracket that goes back and forth. This bracket here is meant to connect, so you put your own piece of wood here or some kind of filler piece that will keep these lined up when they're sliding together. So the 8081 does not come with the plate or the hinge, so therefore you can use your own plate and your own hinge of your choice. And then these are also available in the 8082 series, which includes the base plate but no hinge. So this feature is perfect for if you have to have a specialty hinge that would go with this plate for one for thick door, you would order the 8082 for that. But for the most part, the 8080 comes with everything that you need, including all of your screws and your little roller pieces. Now the 8080 series is primarily designed for a vertical installation, but you can do an over the head installation and over the top. So when you pull your door open and slide it up, you can use that because you can use these little roller bearings that come with it and use that to kind of help guide your door on the top. But if you're looking for a top flipper door, and primarily that, they also offer the 8050, and this is for an overhead top flipper door, and it comes with pretty much everything that you need to be able to install one of those. Now KV has another version of this pocket door system, more for a heavier door, and it actually has like a geared rack and pinion system, which makes everything open and close a little smoother. This series is the 8091 and the 8092 series. These are primarily designed for your larger and heavier doors. Now the 8091 does not include the hinges or the base plates. The 8092 does include the base plates, but not the hinges. And of course, neither of these include the shaft, which is available in a few different sizes that is easily cut to fit perfect. And as with all the other KVs, these come as a paired unit. So the 8090 does as well, the 8080 does, the 8050 does, they're all paired. So therefore you order one per door. So please let us know if you have any other questions at all. Leave them in the comment down below and we will get back to you. Thanks for watching.